practitioners that work with me will hear me say this, 6 over happy. Okay. I don't believe that every patient needs to see 6/6, but I do believe that every patient needs to have a good level of vision so that the vision is not a limiting factor in their life. And that's different for every patient. I've got some patients that's happy in their glasses with 6/12 vision. I've got, lens patients that's maybe 6/9, 6/12, but don't want to go for a graft. So it's really making sure that you've set out a goal, and, be that a task, be that a specific visual problem that they're having. And that's what we should be aiming for as practitioners. Okay. So I don't like to set this sort of vision standard. I like to say sort of 6/.